Come with me, we make fish fillets with me. So I'll add my oil as usual. Yeah, oil, 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 oil. Add garlic. Yeah, make sure. Stir it a little bit. As this is getting ready, I mix some dry ingredients. I'll use Reiko. I'll use curry powder, Simba. This is all from Uganda, East Africa. I'll use this seasoning, onions, and garlic. I'll add cinnamon too. I'll add fillet. Then I'll stir it a little bit so that it can soak some oil. Now I'll add some tomatoes. Mix it too. Put some salt. I use this Himalaya pink salt. Cover it a little bit. I'll add some ginger. Yeah, for better taste. And then I'll put my peppers. Then I'll add my mix. Remember, these are all dry ingredients that I mixed. I showed you earlier. I'll add a little bit of pepper. This is pepper, dry pepper, the small dry pepper, ordered from Uganda. And then I'll add a little bit of water. And I'll leave it to boil. Add a little bit of lime. Okay, here we go. This is our finished good. Bon appetit.